So, in this video, first of all, we are going to create a custom size design which is going to be of same height and same width. And this could be our logo, a social media post which can be squared, a Facebook video. So, here we are going to see how we can use the text effect which was curve. The curve text effect was not discussed. So here first of all we are naming it curve text effect, and will press the T on our keyboard and we can hide it, and we can zoom it from here, and we will make it length towards both side in one go. So I will press the alt button and then I will do like this, and I am gonna make this uppercase and bold. And now we are going to effects. This effects would only appear when you are having your text box selected, and on the left hand side we can see this curve text effect. When we click over it, our text get curved towards up, and here we can see the curve. On the left hand side the curve is 64. We can make it 100, or we can make it 0, or we can make it. So here there are two ways we can apply this curve text effect. So as of now I'm creating curve text effect around 20 30, and while this curve text effect is applied, I can also apply these effects. You can see right here, and I can increase its size, make it bold, increase its size to around 80, or maybe a bit, yeah, something like this. So here you can see we can apply the curve text effect from the bottom, and we can apply these text effect accordingly. And how these text effects are used. The curve text effect is can be used when you are creating a logo, and you are making something like you are making a circular logo, or you are making a logo for a school. You are creating a logo for something and you want to write a circular text around it, so you can write this way. Suppose I'm taking this example, and I'm adding as new page. Here you can see they have written this circular text, and this text effect is coming from this curve option. This curve text effect is very useful when you are creating logos, and here we are having 36. We can make it more, but we need to see how it would be looking good. So 36 looks good, or maybe 37. Let it be 36. So this is how a curved text effect is used in Canva. If you want to create logos like this, then you can use this curved text effect. Mostly this is why it is used, right? So here are different logos on the left hand side, but I have told you how it is used. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.